Are you still sharing plain text documents in Google Docs? Let's make them more engaging. Adding videos to your documents makes them more interactive, more informative, and more professional. Here's how you can embed videos in Google Docs easily. Method 1. Using YouTube links. Step 1. Open YouTube and copy the video link. Step 2. Open your Google Doc. Step 3. Paste the link where you want the video. Step 4. Hover over the link and click Open Preview to watch the video directly inside Google Docs. This lets readers watch the video without switching tabs. Method 2. Using Google Slides. Step 1. Open Google Slides and create a new presentation. Step 2. Click Insert then Video and add a YouTube or Drive video. Step 3. Adjust the video position and timing. Step 4. Right-click on the video and click Copy. Now in Google Docs. Step 5. Click Insert then Drawing and then paste the video. Step 6. Insert the slide as an image. Step 7. Click Save and Close. Your document now contains an interactive video slide. This method saves time, reduces confusion, improves collaboration, and boosts productivity. This approach reflects what xFanatical Foresight stands for. It's a no-code automation platform that helps you automate repetitive Google Workspace tasks using simple rules and templates without writing scripts. Do less manual work. Achieve more productivity. Start small with automation and scale your efficiency with xFanatical Foresight.